Zhoushan Sanco Plastic Machinery Company Limited was established in 2011 and is located in Zhoushan near Ningbo and Shanghai seaport, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment, covers 8,000 square meters area, has 60 employees. We are one professional extruder spare parts and extruder manufacturer, especially for the single screw barrel, twin screw barrel, injection screw barrel, squeezing screw barrel, 3D printer mini screw barrel, gearbox, die head, air ring, recycling extruder and film blowing machine. We have rich experience in the plastic industry such as blowing film, PVC pipe, profile, WPC, granules. We export more than 70 countries, mainly in Germany, Poland, Belarus, Ukraine, Thailand, Vietnam, Nigeria, Mexico and Peru. Sanco also offers a complete range of services from design and integrated manufacturing operations to strict quality control throughout the entire manufacturing process. We have established a comprehensive quality control system that keeps all products in accordance with the regulations of International Quality Management System. Our quality control is implemented in every step of the production processes. Sanco has 2 patents in China: the conical twin screw barrel and PE-WPC one-step extruder line. Our strong teams make our products more innovation. We have had an accepted reputation among our customers because of our earnest services, quality products and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success. With Sanco, your money in safe, your business in safe.